vile inastahili.
Kama chilo nyakoro mga juang jatenda Piny Kenya William Ruto kawuono yao riwruok mar ohala mabiro riwo Piny Kenya gi pinje maoko makelo kanyakla jo ohala makwan gi Ramogi 5.
Riwruogno riwo put mag ohala mag pinje maoko kaachiel kod riwruok mag kembe kod sekta maok mag piny owacho KEPSA.
Kotwak e romono nyakoro mga juang Ruto yango ni ohala ma Kenya osebedo kitimo gi riwruog pinje mag Ulaya EU en mano matego ohala e kind pinje go ahinya to sekta mar pur.
Thank you so much. It's now my singular duty and honor to invite the 2, 1. Thank you. May we have the EU ambassadors joining His Excellency on stage.
Kenya takes our relationship with the EU very seriously. That Kenya is indeed open for business. At the end of the business forum today, we are opening a deal book, and Ambassador here is going to work with the Principal Secretary to open this deal book.
Our engagement has benefited millions of Kenyans through support for better access to clean water, affordable energy, enhancing ports and harnessing wind and solar power and geothermal energy.
EU is the largest destination for Kenyan exports, accounting for about Kenya shillings 170 billion in 2021. Equally fundamental is that the EU accounted for 16.5% of Kenya's total import bill in the same year, which amounted to 355 billion Kenya shillings and represents an increase in value of imports to 14.8% from the previous year. Trading with the EU helps Kenya